Hello, welcome back. Today, the topic of this video is N8N. N8 is no-code automation tool. As you see on my screen, here it is written that N8 is an open source workflow automation platform that enables users to create and manage automated process using visuals, node-based interfaces. Here in this video, I will be telling you three methods to host N8N and how you have to go one by one and master N8N. So let's get started. The first one is the N8N.com. Here you have to just type down N8.com. You will be getting on its own website where you can see the N8N main website where everything is written, how it's work and what are, and its GitHub repository is right there. GitHub, how many commits are there? 1,58,000 commits have been already. If you click on get started, you will be getting 40 days free trial. After that, you have to pay money to go on N8N's list. And the second method is hosting on Hostinger. Hostinger also provide N8N. So if I have opened this website, you can see here uh, Hostinger and N8N collaboration where most popular KVM2 is there, where you can see 499 per month. If you there are many plans you can opt for, where you can get 8 GB of RAM, 100 GB of NVMe disk, 8 TB of bandwidth, 2 core CPU. If you choose KVM1, but my personal choice, if you want to go with Hostinger, you should choose 499 plan. If you take a yearly plan of this KVM2, then it costs around there are many offers. Don't miss on Black Friday sale. You can see here there are many offers that you can go on and see on this website. And third and most effective way, where there is no money needed, you can host N8N on your laptops only. I will be showcasing you how to go step by step, showcasing you how to download a host N8N on your local host. So first you have to download Docker. To go on docker.com, where you have to install Docker Desktop on your Windows. I have already installed it. You can install this Docker Desktop on Windows XP4. You can install Docker Desktop. You will be getting this UI open. If you go on your container and click on your here search box, you have to just type N8N. The first one that you see on here, you have to just install or you have to just you have to just run it. As you run it, you will be I have just done it for use. You can see here that I have just performed that step. So here it is. If I will show you, here it is a stop button. Here it is running, so I can stop it, I can restart it. When I if I showcase you, I have stopped the N8N right here. If I click on this start button, it starts pre-processing on your local host, and it will provide me an link where I can open my N8N. Okay, you can see I have successfully hosted N8N on my local device. I will be creating an local workflow and telling you how we can use N8N. So yeah, as you see here, it is the plus. When you click here plus option, you get many options in the corner. If you see the trigger manually, the first option, trigger manually means runs the flow on click a button in N8N. Trigger manually, the word suggests only you have when you are triggering manually on that button, you will be getting started on app event, on schedule, then on webhook calls, on form submission, and many more. If I select one of these, I have to select. I have selected on chat mode. On chat, then okay, back to Canva. I have selected when chat. So here you can see I have created the chat. I'm simply making. Then I am collecting an AI agent for you. You no need to have anything in chat model. I have just want to select Gemini chat model. Okay, Gemini chat model is here. You have to add credentials by adding new credentials and go on Google AI Studios to create your APIs and get back to there and just paste this API and you will be getting Google chatbot ready. Okay, after this I will be using perfect. Okay, after this I will be using a memory. You can use many memories provided here: MongoDB chat memory, Postgres, There have many memories with the and MongoDB chat memory. You can. I am just for beginners, so simple memory I am just using. No need to change any setting. Again, go on tools. I am heading here calculator. If I am getting any calculation type of 2 plus 2, what is the answer? Then it show me that only. It do not go on that Google Gemini chat model. Perfectly place these all things. If I showcase you, I can add here SERP API for Google search. Okay, I have not added the credentials here. So I have connected the SERP API successfully. For connecting SERP API, you have to just go on SERP API and have to follow the step-by-step process. You have to done it, and after this, you have to just here come. Just I have to add new credentials. You go on credentials. You have to just here. You have to paste your API key, save, and you will be your SERP API will be added. I am closing this. I have connected my SERP API. Okay. So this you see the model here is the basic chat model I have created for you. The front of this chat model you can see from here. If I send any message on this, when I chat message received or I send a message here, it goes to AI agent and then to what type of message it is. I will show you here from this video only. Okay, I send hi. Just see what it is doing and how it's performing the task. You have noticed that when I send hi from this chat model from here, then it goes to AI agent where it goes to simple memory where I have created simple memory, or again it goes back to chat GPT Gemini chat model where it processed on it and it says how can I help you today. If I ask you one question from name, what is AQI of Delhi, just this. Okay, fault has been arise in SERP API. I have to fix it. So basically, I was connecting SERP API, but that's not working. So I have connected through HTTP request. In HTTP request, I click here on HTTP request. So in HTTP request, you have in method you have to post get. In this in URL, I have posted http.serp.com serp.json, and then in send query parameters, you have to define the queries like this. You have to just here in this I have just named the query of parameter q is equals to this. I have just drag and drop the JSON file, and here the query has just if I showcase you in if fixed again then expression model. If I showcase you how to set this values. Okay, you have to just drag this and set to here. You will be getting question here that one for it. This is the API key that I have connected of SERP, and then I have connected Google. This SERP API will be deleted after this video. So again, you have to go to back to Canva, and this again I am testing and trialing this out in front of you. So perfect. I will be searching what is a QI of Gajia. Okay, ZIA Ghaziabad. Okay, you can see here how it's going and running. Okay, the answer has came. You can see here the air quality index of this in. Okay, how perfectly it gone from there. If when I trigger the message, when chat message received from here, what is the AQI of Ghaziabad, it currently goes to the here in this part where AI agent is working, and this AI agent is going to Google Gemini chat model where it works two times. How it works two times? First, it works and searches the model in what is the AQI of Ghaziabad, and then it goes back to memory. You can see goes back to memory and then goes to the HTTP request where all things are connected. It goes to the Google and scrap the data from there and come back again in the memory and come back again in the Google chat Gemini chat model. Google Gemini chat model cuts the unnecessary data that is scrapped from the website, from the Google side. It scraps that data into LLM format, and it shows us the result. Here you can see it gives us references also how this is going on. So if I perform any calculation task, if I perform 2 plus 2, see carefully how it is working. Okay, the calculator has been used in this process. When it first goes to memory, and then it goes to Google Gemini chat model, and then it goes to calculator. It is not going to that server. If I delete the calculator from here, it goes to Google only, Google server only. That's waste my API keys. So for saving my API key, I have added this calculator here to reduce reduction of my API key. So there will be less uses of my API keys. Okay, here it returns the answer and it shows that the answer is 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So in this video I have told you how to host N8N in your local server. I have told you that there are three ways you can work on N8N. I am currently working on local host. You can also work on your local host. In next video I will be showcasing you one channel that I have created using N8N in Telegram bot that help us to send 24-hour messages, updating news, tech news, and everything. I will be showcasing in you next. Till then,